So every month you wait to refinance is money you're never going to get back. So the question that I'm getting nonstop is, Eric, do I refinance today or do I wait for rates to come down? And that question can never be answered. Any lender who is providing advice on that is not someone you want to work with, because we never know what's going to happen in the future. And anybody that tells you that they do is not someone you want to trust. The market is probably more volatile today than it's been in a long time. But this is the analogy I always give my clients. It's kind of like buying a stock. You get an opportunity to buy a stock at $10 a share. And you say, you know what, Eric, when it gets to 8, I'm going to purchase that stock. But then it goes to 12. And you say, you know what, Eric, when it gets to 10, I'll want to move forward and buy that stock. But then it goes to 14. And that's kind of what happens in rates. The volatility, the day-to-day swings. We can never guarantee what's going to happen. Now, the Fed meeting is next week. And a lot will say, well, Eric, I want to wait till after the Fed meeting. The problem is the last few Fed meetings after the Fed has cut rates have actually been higher after the Fed meeting. Again, the market is very forward thinking. Fed does not control mortgage rates. So the opportunity is typically in the weeks leading up to a Fed meeting. Now, we all hope that rates will continue to move down. And we all hope that we'll continue to see rates trend lower. But you have to ask yourself, if you can save $200, $300 a month today, and rates aren't going to go down for maybe 6, 8, 10 months, would you rather save $200 today and put that towards principal and maybe have the opportunity to refinance again if you truly believe that rates are going to move lower in the future? That is the question you want to ask your mortgage advisor, is how much am I paying today to refinance? What is my break even? And could I refinance down the line versus waiting? Because if you wait and rates move higher, okay, the last 2 times we've been at these levels, rates quickly shot back up to 7%. So a lot of the unknown is what a lot of people struggle with. So the question that I always ask my buyers is, would you be upset if rates move back higher? And if they say yes, I never push people into refinancing. I just make them think about it a little bit different and let them decide what they want to do. I have clients that are deciding to refinance. I have some that are waiting, and that's perfectly fine. I think you just need to fully understand the risk if you decide to wait.